Hello, homeroom class. I just want to tell you that I miss you, and hopefully we'll be back in the classroom soon. But until then, this is how we're going to learn math until we can get back, hopefully in May. My fingers are crossed for that. So here we go. Coordinate graphing is what we're going to talk about today. So let's start and talk about a coordinate grid. And a coordinate grid is used to name and graph points of location in a plane. And we know plane means two-dimensional. So it's used to basically pinpoint locations. It's used a lot in mapping. And so one of the things we're going to talk about today is just literally how do you plot points in a coordinate grid. So I'm going to throw a lot of terminology, a lot of vocab out there to you, and I just need you to bear with me, and you can watch this video over and over again to make sure you understand the vocabulary. The first vocabulary I'm going to throw at you is the x-axis and the y-axis. Okay? And as you can see, the x-axis goes across. Okay? So I always think of it as a hotel. You have to walk through the lobby of the hotel before you can take the elevator up and down. So when you're graphing ordered pairs or points on a coordinate grid, you always have to go over before you can go up and down. So X always comes before Y. And it even has that in the alphabet. X comes before Y in the alphabet. So then we have the Y-axis. Okay, that's the up and down. So let's look at this ordered pair. Do you see this ordered pair? It says 1, 3. The X is the 1. That's the X coordinate. And the 3 is the Y coordinate. So I'm going to show you how you would graph this on here. So if I wanted to graph 3, 1, that ordered pair, somebody gave me that ordered pair to graph, I would go right here from the origin. You always start at the origin. You always start at 0, 0. So right here at the origin, I would go 1 over, and then I would go 3 up. Right there is 1, 3. 1 over, 3 up. Okay, let's do another one just to make sure you understand. What if I wanted to graph 2, 6? Well, if I wanted to graph 2, 6, that's the ordered pair. Remember, the X always comes before the Y. Don't forget that, because if you flip them up and you switch them, you're going to get all of them wrong. Okay, so in this case, I want to go 2 over. Start at the origin, go 1, 2 over, and then I want to go 6 up. So that is the point 2, 6. A lot of times they'll say graph them with letters. So this might be labeled A for 1, 3, and then I might label this one B for 2, 6. Okay? Let me know if you have questions on this. Make sure you're watching this video multiple times to know if you are understanding it or not, because there was a lot of vocabulary that I threw at you here, and I will see you next time. Bye.